Hello guys, I'm Nisha Bandal. Welcome to our YouTube channel EduPhy India. If you are new in this channel, then don't forget to like, subscribe the channel, and you can join us with the Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. In the last video, we see the improvement in the food resource. Now we see the animal husbandry, poultry farming, fish production and the beekeeping. So let's start with our first topic, which is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the scientific management of the animal livestock. It includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding, and the disease control. Animal husbandry is necessary because population increase and the living standard increase. So the demand for the milk, egg, meat is also required. Animal-based farming, including cattle, goat, sheep, poultry, and the fish farming. There are the animal-based farming are as follows. First is the cattle farming. Raising a cattle like a cow, buffalo, and the goat to meet the requirement of the advocate milk production is called as cattle farming. The cattle farming done for the two purposes, production of the milk and the agricultural work. Milk production female are called as a milch animals. Ones used for the farm labor are called as a draft animal. The main steps in the cattle farming. The main step is a milk production. It depends on the duration of the lactation period. Lactation period means the period of the milk production after the birth of the calf. Foreign breed Jersey Brown Swiss are the slated for the long lactation period. Red Sindhi are the local breed used for the milk production. Milk production can increase during the lactation period. Types of the food requirement for the cattle farming. The food requirement which give animal to live a healthy life during the milk production. The type of the food requirement during the lactation period. Animal necessary refuge, which is largely fiber. It also required the high level of the protein. Cattle need a balanced ratio of the nutrient. Besides such nutrient, it also require the micronutrient to promote the health and the milk output of the dairy animal. Things which we care for the cattle farming. They should be sheltered under the well-ventilated roofed shades. Proper cleaning and the shelter requires for the health of the animal and the production of the clean milk. Required regular brushing or to remove the dirt and the losses hair. Shelter required from the rain and the heat cold. Cattle suffer from a number of the diseases which causing a death and reduce the milk production. So vaccination is also important from the animal against the viral and the bacterial disease. Now we see the next slide is a poultry farming. The rising of the domestic fowl to ensure the production of the adequate number of the chicken meat is called as a poultry farming. Example, crossbreeding in breeding of the Asila. Variety improvement are a focus on the development of the new varieties for the following trait. First is the number and the quality of the chick. We need to get a good quality chick for the production of the egg. Draft boiler parent for the commercial chick production. Young chick are used for the commercial chick protein. Summer adaptation capacity or the tolerances chick to high temperature to survive the high temperature, and if they don't have the summer adaptation capacity, then it is difficult to survive them. Equilateral countries like the India. Low maintenance requirement. Low maintenance will be required, so it is possible to farmer doing the poultry farming. Now we see the egg and the boiler production. Chicken are raised for the meat is called as a boiler. This chicken typically white and the breed specifically for the optimal health and the size to produce the quality. Boiler production are feed with a vitamin rich supplement. They are good for the growth. What take care for the boiler production? Maintenance of the temperature. For a laying of the egg, heat is required, so maintenance the temperature is needed. Maintain the hygiene condition the poultry. Cleaning, sanitization, spraying of the disinfection at a regular interval. Poultry floor suffer from a number of diseases caused by a virus, bacteria, fungi. Proper vaccination is necessary. Regular vaccination reduces the loss of the poultry during the outbreak diseases. The food for the boiler rich with the high protein and the fat. The level of the vitamin K and the A is maintained for the high productivity. The fish production. Fish production it includes the productions of the cartilaginous and the bony fishes such as prawns, rohu, katana. Fish is a cheap source of the animal protein for our food. There are the two ways of obtaining fish. One from the natural resources, which is called as a capture fishing, and the another way is from farming, which is called as a culture fishery. Types based on the water resource. The type water resource of the fish can be either a seawater or a fresh water, such as a river and a pond. Fishing can thus be done both by capture and the culture of the fish in the marine and the freshwater ecosystem. Popular marine fish varieties are the mackerel, tuna, and the Bombay duck. Marine fish. The practice of culturing marine fish from the seas and the ocean is called as marine fishing. Example, tuna, Bombay duck. Methods of marine fishing. One is a traditional method and the second is a modern method. Traditional method. In this method, use a nets and the gear for a fishing, and in the modern method, we use the echo sounders and a satellite to locate the fish. Some marine fish of the high economic value are also farmed in the sea water. These include fishes like the mullet, pearl, shellfish such as the prawns. Oysters are also used for the creative pearls. And inland fishes. Fish production in the fresh water like the pond, river is called as inland fishery. It is also called as aquaculture. Fish culture is sometimes done in a combination with the rice crop so that the fish are grown in the water in the paddy field. Both local and the imported fish species are used in such system. There is no high yield in the Iceland fishery. In this method, 5 or 6 fish species is used in a single fish pond. All the fish are the same in the species. So together these species can use all the food in the pond without communicating with each other. For example, cattle are suffer feeders, rowers feed in the middle zone of the pond, mirgals and the common crabs are bottom feeders, and crabs feed on the weeds together. So these species can be use all the food in the pond without communicating with each other, and this help to improve the fish yield from the pond. There is a problem in this method that breeding is possible only in the monsoon. A major problem in the fish farming is the lack of ability of the good quality of the seeds. Second is the beekeeping. The act of rearing, raising and the caring of the honeybee on a large scale to obtain the honey and the wax from them is called as apiculture. Beekeeping needs a low investment so the farmer use an additional income. Honey are a source of the wax which use various medical preparation. The local varieties of the bee used for the commercial honey productivity are Apis serena indica, which is commonly Indian bee, a tostata, the rock bee, and a flora, the little bee. An Italian bee omnifera has been used in increasing the yield of the variety, and it is useful for the commercial production. The value of the quality of the honey depend upon the pastuga or the flowers available to the bee for the nectar and the pollen collection, or adequate quantity of the pastuga, the kind of the flower available on the determine the taste of the honey. So what we learn in this chapter: several nutrients essential for the crop, micronutrients and the macronutrients. Manure and the fertilizer are the main sources of the nutrient supply, and the manure is the natural fertilizer. There is another way is the organic farming, which is we can grow without the pesticides. Mixed farming is a system of a farming on a particular farm which include a crop production. Mixed cropping in that we use the two or the more crop in the same land. Growing two or the more crop in a different crop pattern is known as intercropping. Growing a different crop in the same plant or the pre-plant is called as a crop rotation. Free farm animal require the proper care and the management. Feeding, breeding and the disease control is called as animal husbandry. To enhance the poultry production, crossbreeding is required. Fish may be obtained from the marine sources as well as inland resources. Increasing pollution of the fish can be culture in the marine and the island ecosystem. Beekeeping is done to get the honey and the wax. So this is all about the first chapter.